Hello, my name is Alex Brent and welcome to this video on Ensighten privacy. In this video, we will take a look at the user consent and what each part means for the configuration. So let's start. You can access the user consent section of the gateway by either clicking on the gateway name or by clicking on the menu to the right and clicking Edit. The user consent can then be selected on the menu to the left. Here you can configure the various visuals that the user will see when on the site. You can choose to turn the privacy notice on or off. The privacy notice will show a small banner to the user that will contain text of your choosing. This is defined in the translation settings, and we will cover this in a later video. You can choose to turn the consent modal on or off. The consent modal is the main pop-up window that will contain the tag lists you created in the list manager and allow the user to opt in or out of specific tag lists. You can also show the always allowed domains list in the pop-up modal if you choose to. The user will not be able to opt out of these technologies, but it may be beneficial for you to show the user this for the purpose of transparency. If you choose to show the trusted domains list, then you can choose which position in the list it appears, either at the top or at the bottom. You can rearrange the list options to any order you'd like by just dragging on the icon to the left of the name. This will change the order in the pop-up window that is shown to the user. Each environment comes with default settings that you can configure. When the user first visits the site, it is these defaults that will be used if the user decides not to alter their preferences. You can easily set these here by just toggling the options. The default environment can be configured by selecting the star. As we saw in the previous video, you must configure the gateway environments to be triggered under certain conditions. You can set a default gateway by clicking on the star, meaning that if none of the environments pass the condition checks, then the default gateway indicated by the star will be used. As with the other settings, you must be sure to save your configuration by clicking on the Save button. Thank you for watching this video on the user consent in the privacy gateways. In the next video, we will look at the translation settings and how to configure the text that is shown to the user for each environment. For now, thanks for watching.